Everyone's favourite, here's your update on gold. We can see the long-term trend. In fact, I'll just zoom out so you can see that a bit better. Long-term trend has been in place for quite a while. Tested all these bottoms and it's held quite a bit. We tested it again here and held. It broke through in March. Obviously that was a bit of a liquidity crisis. You can't really count it from a technical perspective. But at the moment we've actually broke lower, and since breaking lower it's just lost momentum. There's a couple of supply zones around here. This is your major support. You can see we held it here, we held it first here, and we are sitting there now. And then there's also a further support line which was held just here and here, and it was the initial zone for the first rally up. So this entire range really is where we buy gold. So at the moment you can see stocks, the gold stocks went up, came back, tested support, rallied. As soon as it hit this supply zone, the buying's really picked up and it's just sent it off to its all-time high. Since then it's come back, and you can see here where people are taking profit taking, and then a few people bought the dip, and it's gone up, not quite the same, rolled over, a bit more profit taking. Oh, let's go for your next leg up, inflation, and this time really picked up, but again didn't even get back to all-time high, found resistance and came straight back down again. Not a problem, straight back down to the 200. Let's see if that holds any better. Unfortunately that's not been the case. It's gone back up, tried one last attempt and failed at the 200. It's now moved under, the trend, it's moved down to this zone. So last time we hit this zone we bounced up in a big way. This time not so much, there's no momentum here. If this doesn't hold and we don't find buyers, look for gold to head lower. I suspect if gold heads lower, 1650 is going to be your first target, so somewhere around here, which is the top. So the bottom here and the top of this range here from early 2020, late 2019 even. That's certainly my outlook for gold.